For this week's discussion, I want to focus on the different types of alarm systems. When we go to a fire alarm as firefighters, we arrive, we notice that there is an alarm in the building, we look for the zone, hopefully the alarm panel is marked, and we may or may not have the luck of finding where that fire alarm is originating from. It's the inspector's job, when they walk through and they conduct their inspections, to make sure that the alarm system, number one, functions properly, but also that it's properly marked and that we can identify the origin of the alarm. This is important because in a large building, we may have multiple zones, multiple locations to go to. Rather than running around and chasing a ghost, it's easier to know exactly where to respond to and where to find the fire or possible fire. So when we do inspections, we have to be focusing on how that system works. As an inspector, you're going to be dealing with a number of different types of systems. In this week's discussion, I want you to identify the various types of alarm systems that are out there. For example, what's the difference between a local reporting alarm and a monitored service? I want you to also talk about the difference between pull station alarms versus detector alarms. What type of detectors could be found in a system? I want you to comment on as many different types of alarm configurations as you can think of, and also comment on your fellow students' ideas and concepts of what those components are made up of as well. Alarm systems are very complex. Some can be very simple. The important thing is to know how that system is going to defend that building in the event that there is a fire, and how it can prevent the fire from getting worse. In addition, knowing about the different types of systems that are in the building, in addition to the reporting system, such as sprinkler systems, standpipe systems, pre-action systems, and the other different types of agent systems that might be found. This is a very broad topic this week, so I'm going to give you a lot of leeway with it. Remember to post your initial posting prior to 11 p.m. on Tuesday and comment on your fellow students' posting before 11 p.m. on Saturday night. Good luck with this one because I think it's a little difficult, but I think you'll have a good time with it. There's a lot of information to cover, but I want you to have a little bit of fun with it as well.